What is that? Is that your Easter basket? What did you get? Let's see. A boat. Wow. Awesome. Boat, right. What are those? What'd you get? Let me see.
Choo-choo?
Did you find some eggs? You find another one? Put them in your basket. Here, put them in your basket. When you collect them, put them in there.
Put them in there. There you go.
Yeah.
You find more eggs? Look in your cars. See your cars over there? Look at your cars.
Yay! You found an egg. Yeah, you got a lot of them, huh?
Look at your cars.
Was there one in your truck too? Wow.
Choo-choo? Wow! Quack, quack. Do you find any more eggs? Look over here. Do you see any eggs?
You found another one.
Oh, wow!
Where are you taking it? Are you
Look
taking?
over here. What's over here?
Did you find one? Yay! Put it in your basket. Oh yeah. Bring your basket over.
Over here?
Oh, did you find
Show
two more?
Daddy.
Show me, show me.
Daddy.
What'd you get? 3 of them. Wow.
Good job. Bring your basket here. Bring your basket. Get your basket. Can you find any more? There you go. There you go. Bring your basket over here. Ben, what about over here? Ben, over here. You see anything?
Wow.
Look.
Ben, not very bright. Yeah. Good job. Show it to Daddy. But yay!
Yay!
Wow, that's fun.
What about over here?
Wonder if there's any more over there.
There any more over here?
Yeah.
Good
Good job. I think that might be it. I don't know.
Yep. You got them all.
You got 'em all.
Yay. Let's show you what this does.